Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win. White is winning this. We have two rocks against a lone queen, and there is only a single move to win the game. So guys, as always, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So here we do have two rocks and we have some kinds of attacks. So we have to win we have to win the queen by sacrificing one of the rock. That way we'll end up with a rock, and that is pretty easy to deliver checkmate. So that is our idea. We can get to b8 and pin the queen to the king, but that doesn't work because the queen would just capture the rook and there is no piece defending that. So for that reason, this is not the correct move, and you may just start thinking this way, but this also is not the correct move because the queen will just start give us checks. These checks will never end, and we can't totally win this, right? So for this reason, the queen is going out, and the queen would just give us perpetual checks. That would be a perpetual check draw. So for that reason, this also doesn't work, right? So obviously we have to make an attack in some kinds of attack. And the first move is rook to g2. I don't think this is very hard to find, and so many of you guys may find this. For those of you who found that, congratulations, and you can just pause the video when I'm talk to just guess the next move, right? So you can do that as well. So now in this position, the king has got 3 moves to play to. But if the king ever step on the h file, it would be just checkmate, right? So this is going to be a ladder checkmate. The queen has to block, but anyway, this is checkmate. And black is going to step into a checkmate if black decided to move the h file. To move to the h file. So black has to move the other way, which is king to f8. So what do we do now? Well, now what we are going to do is keep zigzagging a check. So here in this position, the king has got 2 moves to play to. I mean 3 moves. Ideally, this direction to move to the g file and to move to the e file. But if the king moves to e file, we just give a check with one of our rook, it doesn't really matter, and grab the queen, which is going to be winning for us because we will end up with a rook, and that is more than enough to win a game. So for that reason, the king will never step on the e file, otherwise we are going to skewer and get the queen behind. So the king must move to the g file. Again, we move, and if you had a chance to see that, we move 2 steps like stairs, and we are going downward this direction. So again, the king wouldn't step on the h file, otherwise this is going to be just checkmate, right? For that reason, the king must move to the f file. So again, we move downward like this, king to g3. So from f6 we got to g3, slowly but surely getting downward. So the idea is the king has to move to the g file. Once again, the same reason we move, the king has to move to the f file, we move, and now if you had a chance to see that, we get all the way behind the other rook, meaning now the king can't hide on the g file because the rook is now directly attacking that. That makes black to move to the e file, and we are going to just give a check with one of our rook, it doesn't matter, and win the queen and win the game. So this is the whole variation and the solution of the puzzle. So for a recap purpose, first we are going to play rook to g2. Now the king has 3 moves to play to, but moving to the h file would result an immediate checkmate, so the king must move to the f8 square. Now we move downward, making a zigzag like this to get behind our rook. So the king moves back and forth to the f file and the g file to prevent us winning the queen. So at the end, the king is not able to move to the g file because the rook is directly attacking that. In that way, we are going to win the queen. This, like this, right? So this is the whole variation. Guys, thank you for watching up to this point. I will upload similar chess puzzle videos every day. Make sure to subscribe to see them. I will see you next video. Bye.